Hi guys, welcome back to my diary. And if you're new here, in this space I talk about forex related stuff, the mistake I've made, and most important, the lesson that I've been learning and I keep learning so that I can share with you. So that if you find this video very interesting, kindly hit that subscribe button, comment, share, and let's grow together. In today's video, I want us to analyze EURUSD and see what will happen this month, like my analysis on EURUSD. Feel free to tell me what your thought is, and let's just share. Let me see what I'm thinking. If maybe you're thinking the same. Now heading to EURUSD, you have to understand, and I keep saying this because you have to keep repeating the same thing, because as long as the candles are green and red, then you have to keep repeating every day until you understand. Okay? Now, on EURUSD, you have to start from monthly, weekly, daily, 4 hour to see just what is happening. Just lay the foundation of what the month will do. And from monthly, I don't want this video to be too long. So from monthly, the market structure of EURUSD, yes, it's been a downtrend market, but what has been happening of late? Can you see what I'm seeing? You can comment down below before I tell you what I'm seeing. But as for me, I can see it is a consolidating market. See, this market has been consolidating for quite some months. Hey, it has been consolidating since when? Since last year, January 2023, the market has been consolidating, and we're in another year, like a whole year. This market has been consolidating. So from there, at least you understand the structure of the market. As much as it is a downtrend, it is still consolidating. So you cannot say it is that much downtrend, but it has been consolidating. And when we go to the price action, and when I say price action, you have to understand that price action is based on the previous candle, because already the candle has closed. And again, let me apologize because I think the video that I did yesterday about AUD-USD, I confused this candle. It is the same candle that is printed on AUD-USD on monthly. I said dragonfly instead of gravestone doji, but again, at least I said shooting star. So if you never understood the gravestone doji and the dragonfly, I said shooting star. It is not a dragonfly. It is a gravestone. If you cannot understand the gravestone, just use shooting star. It is a shooting star, and it still says that the sellers are in control. They are willing to push this market down. This candle, I love this type of candle, especially when they are at support or resistance, because they speak a lot. Okay, so this kind of a candle, it shows you that the sellers are still in control, that the buyers trying to push the market up, but still the sellers were very much powerful, and that is why the market closed here. That is the whole candle of March. Okay, and when we go to the pattern, I can't see a clear pattern because I've said it is consolidating. So that is all I can see on monthly. And when we go to weekly, let me see what is happening on weekly. On weekly, there's nothing much. And again, I think 2 weeks or a week ago, I spotted a double top on EURUSD. I did a video. I spotted a double top on EURUSD, and this double bottom, it is almost heading to the neckline. Okay, let me put my drawings so that you can see what I'm saying. This is the double top that I spotted. Let me make the chart bigger so that you can see. Let me make it so big. Okay, I spotted a double top on EURUSD on weekly, and this double top is almost heading to the neckline. And you see, the best thing, I said, when you see a pattern, always ensure that pattern, it has not already printed. Like, just imagine how the pattern will go, because sometimes it can take a lot of time for that pattern to complete, but it will complete. Even if it takes years, that pattern will one day come to complete. So that is what I saw. Let me continue marking up my zone, and this is the neckline of the pattern that I saw. What am I doing? This is the neckline of the pattern. Let me put this one to be color what? Red. Let me put it color red. Let me put it in this color. So that is what I saw, and this is the double top. Let me write here double here. Let me write. Oh, it's happening. Where's my misbehaving? Okay, let me write here again. Double top. The double top on the weekly, and this should be my half. And this should be my neckline. My neckline. This should be my neckline. Why is my Wi-Fi so slow today? Don't know why. It's very slow today. Let me repeat again. This should be my neckline. Let me write capital letters so that you can see for clear. Half. This is our half. This is the double top. Okay, like that. I hope you can see clear. So the market was here, the half was broken, and now it is heading to the neckline. Yes, it may not reach exactly to the neckline because you see the kind of candle that is shown here. You see this candle? The market may not even, maybe it can reach here, maybe tap and then go, or maybe it can even break this zone and go. But that is a pattern that I spotted last week, I think part 1. And again, let me see if this pattern is on monthly so that I can explain something to you here. On monthly, we have this double top. You see, there is nothing. So that is why whenever you spot a pattern that is only on one time frame, it is easier to move compared to when you have a pattern that is both on monthly or weekly, then you have to wait for time frame alignment. So this is the pattern that I spotted. Already it has broken the half and it is heading to the neckline. Okay, this is a live market. The market is heading to the neckline. So I hope it will go to the neckline, and when the neckline is broken, this market may go there, may go down. But let's see, we are not sure because at least we just have to have an idea, and whatever the market does, we just obey. Like that is our work. We just analyze and let the market play. On the daily, let's see what is happening on the daily. The same pattern is on the daily, and see, when you go to daily, now you can see it clear. You see what is happening. On weekly, you cannot. We see the long week, but at least on the daily, we see what is happening. So this is the half that we spotted. Let me try where it is very far now. This is the half that we spotted, and this is the neckline. This line should be the neckline, and it is heading to the neckline, and this is the double top that we spotted on the weekly. Okay, so our market is heading to the half. So there's nothing much about EURUSD. I'm waiting for it to go to the neckline and see what will happen, because the market has to retest, and it has retested. So it is going to the neckline. It can come to this neckline, break this neckline, and continue to go down. Okay, so you don't underestimate this market, but you are waiting for this neckline to break, because if this neckline is broken, you know what will happen to this market? It will go down. Like it will just go down, and the distance that this market will go down is this one. Just measure from where the double top started, and we just measure that distance. From there, we know this is where that market is heading to. This is where I think the market, if the neckline is broken, because I'm just analyzing, and then it can take even weeks for that market to finish what you are saying. It can take a whole week, a whole month for this market to go. But you see, this is where the market will be heading. But let's just wait and see what will happen. So that is what I'm seeing on EURUSD. For now, I'm just waiting for the neckline to break, because you cannot buy at this time unless I can't see a pattern that will make this market go up. For now, I'll just wait for it to come and break this neckline, then retest, go up. If it will not break the neckline, it can form another double bottom here, and then the market goes up. You never know, but at least that is what I'm seeing mainly on EURUSD for this week. Let me just wait for this neckline to break and see what is happening. Even if you go to 4 hour, and by there you have news around I don't know, 5 or we have news something. We have something like news there on 4 hour. There's still nothing much. It is still on a downtrend, and now it is retesting. Okay, it is retesting. So I believe it will just go down. Maybe it will come and tap here. You see these order blocks here. Maybe it can come and tap this zone, and from there it goes down. Maybe, I don't know. That is what I'm thinking, but at least I'm not thinking of buying this market. I'm still thinking of, I prefer selling. It can come, tap there, and go down. Okay, that is my analysis on EURUSD. So tell me what you think. Tell me what you think. What do you think the market will do? Are we on the same page? Can you see what I'm seeing? And that is, I think that is all. Like, there's nothing much about EURUSD. So I think the next pair will be GBP USD, or maybe NSD USD GBP, and I don't know. But I think I'll analyze the other pairs before the end of the week. So by next week we know what is happening. Oh, the news is up. You see there, this market is moving. The news is, I think, up. Almost 5. It is almost 5. So the news is up. So that is my analysis on EURUSD, and I hope we will get an entry by next week, and I hope it will break this neckline, because if it break that neckline, then it retests, it will complete the double top already is completed. This double top will be already completed, because the double top has a half and the neckline, and already it has already completed that double top. And when it moves, it will go to the area that you think it is easier for that market to go. Most of the time, because the market can never go straight, you always measure the half of the distance it is willing to go, or you can always check where the market is most likely to go. You see, the market is most likely to come and tap this area. When it taps that area, then it can reverse and goes up, but that is not something that we say now it will go to that direction today. No, it can take time, but at least we have an idea of what that market is going to do. So that is my analysis on EURUSD. So I hope it will do as we have said, and let's see what will happen. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and until next time, bye bye.